Hi, I'm Dunk and welcome to Military and Budget Watch Collectors. In this video I'm going to be reviewing this Jaragar Aviator's automatic watch. The white faced version. They do two versions, the black and the white. Buying links for this watch and many others can be found on our Facebook group, the address for which should be coming across your screen now. Back to the watch. It's an automatic watch with a date subdial at the 3 o'clock position, a day subdial at the 9 o'clock position. It's also got a 24-hour subdial at the 6 o'clock position, and the rotating bezel which moves like this. Just turn the left crown. It's got lovely detailing on the face. Have a closer look. With no defects, and two buttons on the right are for altering the day and date. With the crown having two positions. The first is for manual winding, and the second is for adjusting the time. The strap is fairly decent quality too, with some nice stitching. Fairly decent quality. On the back it's stamped with the manufacturer's logo. You've also got the rotor in the back of the watch to help keep the watch's energy levels high and continuously coiling the main spring. Overall, I really love this watch. For around £14 including shipping, it is most definitely a bargain. As are most Jaragar watches, I would definitely recommend this one. The Jaragar Aviator's automatic watch.